Ating metong pong kwento tungkol king metong teenage son. Minsan, may utang yang tricky question king kayang tatang. Nga naman kanyan, Dad, is it okay to smoke while I am praying? Is it okay to smoke when I am praying? While I am praying? May kibatsing tatang, no. And then the son, may utang na niya naman, how about if I pray while I am smoking? Tricky question. Kaya pong Ebanghelyo tamong yan kitnan de Jesus, tricky question. It's a tricky question. It's not, when I say tricky question, yakabot answerable by yes or no. Nga na rin kutang, sabihin mo na mo kaya kami, labagbaking batas, ing mamayad buwis, King Roman Empire, o ali? Mamayad kami, o ali? O yan yung kutang dare, dining mapila na Pariseo at Herodiano, king ginutamong Jesucristo. Well, good thing is, balo na ni nga pong na yung kutang da, tricky ya. Tricky ya, in a sense. It's a trap question actually. Kasi nung kabud yes or no in answer. Kasi nung mig-yes siya o mig-no ya, it would always be used against him. Maging ipakibat na, maging laban niya mismo kaya, king pangatao na, king mensahe na, king mission na. That's why Jesus, apansin nyo, ala yung sinabing yes or no. Yes, sinabi ng, kung mamaya, halimbawa, yes, labaging batas yan, di kalabanan no ding Romano, kakampinan no ding Hudyo. Otherwise, kalabanan no ring, kakampino ring Romano, kalabanan no ring Hudyo. Sabi na pilitan kasi, dami if you do, dami if you don't. Yung makanini pong question, dilemma la rin That's why you need to have answers that will in a way suffice and you will not be placed in danger. Nga pong ginubalo na Anya, balo na yung pekibatan. Tandaan tama po, half-truths are dangerous. Half-truths are dangerous. Must itaning or the evil one, talagang master of lies siya and half-truths. Kaya niya magaling. Master yapin So, master na yan. Anyapin, let us be careful. Not to be tricked or trapped. So, mga tao mo careful. We always ask the Holy Spirit and say, come, Holy Spirit. Gusto nga tutamo kanita. Banal Espiritu, sopan mo ko. I need po yung best prayer. Come, Holy Spirit. Lalo na nang kailangan tamong gawang importante at maulagang desisyon kimbye. Lalo na between two goods. Let us always pray na aluha mo itang maging klaro ya, masala yung kay katamong pamisip, pero anyawaran tamo mo naman itang purity of heart and intentions. Kaya kaya maging malwalas o maliwanag, masala ang isipan mo. Ngunit sana, di na nakang purong puso at kapagnasan. Purity of heart and intentions. Sana din kaya katang maging desisyon, din kaya katang maging amano, din kaya katamong maging kilos o pangawa, be born out of sincere and constant prayer. We always place them in prayer. Mangailangan tamo pong brilliant and wise people in the church today. But more than this, we need disciples na talagang makiramdam king master na ning prayer. We need disciples who really listen to the master in prayer. O ba't alos utanya ni nga pong ginuini? Huling master niya in prayer. Kasakit na yung kutang. Pero ikwaning pakibatan. Alang may sambot, alang may nyambot, but he was able to drive a point. No? So yan mo naman sana yung gawan tamo. That is the challenge. Itala iwasan din. Tingin ka sa saryando talaga rin kutang rin. That's why we need to have that constant communication with the Lord. So that lalo na po talaga mo piyadyan, may kutang na rin, you will never go wrong. Because the Holy Spirit will always guide you on what words or answer you would give.